Buzz? To infinity and beyond! Alright. Towel.
Water. Cheese puffs. Crackers. A yo-yo. Hand sanitizer. And a rubber ducky. Sunblock. A plastic steak. And Speedos. And a key. I don't know what it's for, but you never know.
We didn't even bring Uncle's sandals. Yeah, we gotta get you batteries. Alright, let's go. You want the window down?
No.
No? Okay. You ready? You're all dirty because you're ice cream. All right, let's go. Come on. All packed up. Yay, we made it. Look, the water. Yeah, let's go. Okay, here we go. Papa's first time at Black's Beach.
Good job. Those are big ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, we are almost there. 1, 2, 3, last one. Let's go. Whee! Hurry, let's run. Hurry. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, my feet. Oh. My feet have been burning all the way from the top. Go, go. Go, go. Yes. Yeah. We did it. Woo. Someone's happy. Oh, so am I. Go find a spot.
Yay!
Here, come here. Hey, grab fun in your truck. Ready? Set. Go! Go! Come on. Hurry. I gotta go back. Where are we going? Oh, we're going in? Oh, no, that one got my phone wet. Gotta go. Okay, let me fix that. No! Don't throw it! Please don't throw it in the water. No! What happened? Say bye, beach. Say goodbye, sand. That's Sandy. All right, here we go. And he's going. Meanwhile, I have blisters.
I didn't bring my shoes because they were white and they're creepers, and I'm not trying to get them dirty, honey. No, no, no. Ain't nobody got time for that. Right, Amir? Yeah. Run, run, run! Hurry! You can do it! You're almost there! Go, go, go!
Good job! Most people can't do that. Ready to go bye-bye? Yeah! SpongeBob SquarePants! Hey, say open please. Okay.
You think about?
Say thank you. Put in your head. Uh-oh. You ready? Put your head back. 1, 2, 3. All right. All done? Ew, prunies. Attack of the foot. It's gonna eat me. Those toes. You smell good? You smell it. Molly, come on.
Patrick, go be stupid somewhere else. Preparing the Krabby Patty.
What's all that yelling? What are they selling? Chocolates! What? Chocolate! I remember when they first invented chocolate. I always hated it. Come on, you lazy Mary. Start rubbing me with that chocolate. I hate you.